Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be making something, and okay, I'll do it. What do we want to do again, partner?
We're going to craft and make stuff from Shark Boy
Yeah.
and Lava Girl.
He is a very big fan of Shark Boy. And yeah, let's do this. Okay. You'll need glue. Okay.
I have no idea what he's doing just to say. So I'm not going to tell you.
I'll just go get it, okay?
Okay. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay. He says I'm not, so yeah. I'm sorry about the music. I'm very sorry. Partner,
I'm back.
He's back. The bad boss is back.
This might not be the best, but I'm just doing random. Okay, I need scissors.
And he needs scissors.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. That's me just to say. And he went to get something again. How many times? Well, he's asking us. I'm not gonna pause the video. I have no idea why. Sorry about the shaking. He's coming back. He's coming back. The bad boss. I'm just gonna say something. Why are you this long? Why? Why?
Okay. So I need to cut it like this.
He may make a mistake.
Guys, it might be kind of bad. This guy just told me to do it.
No, I didn't, partner. Partner in crime.
It's actually easy.
Yeah, for him. I'm really, really sorry. Really, really sorry. So we're making Shark Boy's fin, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Okay, like the bro said. Oh, sorry about the flap.
Together. You just been random.
Could you attach it to your back?
No. I don't want to.
No, like, could someone attach it to their back?
Yeah. So, what are you making?
We're making Shark Boy's fin. And then we're probably going to do something from Lava Girl. Because Shark Boy always gets all the secret. Okay.
Sure.
Sorry about the dark thing.
We will need a big piece of this. Wait, a little bigger. Like.
So it's a square to fit on the fin. And then maybe you could do something.
Oh my god. I'll put this on your leg. Freaking hold.
Yeah, I have no idea why you put it on my leg. But yeah. Now he's taking the, I'm guessing, really much.
Okay. This is not the best. I'm just trying to help you guys shoot more balance.
It may not work. That's what he's saying. I'm guessing.
Exactly.
Okay, good job, partner.
Like this.
Oh, sorry. Sorry if it's sort of blurring out for you. Something. Should we pause the video? Okay.
Of course you guys heard him. He just asked me. Should we pause the video? That's what he said. Right, dude?
Are we going to do something for Lava Girl? Or no? Or just for Shark Boy?
We don't know. Maybe we have plans. Okay. This is
the fin.
and you can put it on your back. You can put tape. Oh, and yeah.
And sorry for the background music again.
And this part's just, you put tape right there on your back and
Yeah.
bye. See you later.
Bye bye.
Next episode of crafting.